JavaFX SceneBuilder. JavaFX SceneBuilder is a visual layout tool provided by the GUI, originally by the Oracle, that allows the developers to design the JavaFX user interface without writing the code manually. Means by using the SceneBuilder, we can create the visual user interface. Means we can create the GUI without writing the any Java code. Without writing the any Java code, we can build the and user interface here by using the JavaFX SceneBuilder. And in this point of view, we can drag and drop the UI components. Means on this plane, we can drag and drop the components like the buttons, labels, text fields, paints. If you want the button here, just we can drag and drop button here. If you want the label, we can drag and drop the labels here. We can draw the text fields, paints, and each and everything onto the workspace. And the scene builder automatically generates the FXML file. Automatically it generates the FXML file, an XML based file that describes the UI layout here. Here the main advantage is that without writing the any code, automatically it generates the code here. FXML file will be generated automatically. Come to the scene builder helps in the building the GUI applications. And what are the scenarios are there? The first one is the visual design. You can design the interface visually rather than coding the layout manually in the Java. Means without writing the Java code, we can create our visual interface here by using the scene builder. The second advantage is that generate the FXML file automatically. Once we are doing the drag and drop operation, automatically depending upon UI design here, it will generate the corresponding FXML file here. The scene builder creates the FXML files which separates the UI design from the application logic, promoting the MVC means model view controller architecture. Based upon the UI design, automatically the FXML file will be created. Easy integration with the IDEs. The third one is the easy integration with IDEs. Means the scene builder can be automatically integrated with IDEs like the IntelliJ IDE, Eclipse, NetBeans. Okay. Just we can easily integrate with the IDEs here. The fourth one is the quick prototyping. UI elements can be resized, aligned, nested quick using the layout paints here. Ideal for the prototyping. We can increase the size of the buttons or text fields or paints. We can align the text here. We can quickly lay out the paints here by using the scene builder. Controller linking. The scene builder allows you to link the UI components like the buttons, text fields to control the class methods using the event handlers here. Okay. Even though you are not at the event handler code, automatically it generates the code for this one. The control link will be available by using the JavaFX here. Next, the structure of the JavaFX application window. In this point of view, a typical JavaFX application window structure is the three core components. The first one is a stage. It represents the top level window of the application. This is the stage here. This is called as always the top level of the application. Act as a container for all the JavaFX elements here. On this container only, we are putting all the elements here. JavaFX application can have multiple stages, but typically starts with the primary stage provided by the platform. The properties are like the title, size, resizability are defined at the stage level. If you want to give the name for this application, if you want to give the title, if you want to do the increase or decrease in the pane here, at the time this operation can perform this stage only. This is the first one. This is the core component. Come to the second component here, scene. The scene represents the content area within the stage here. This area is called as a scene here. The stage contains only one scene, one stage at a time, but the scenes can be dynamically swapped here. If we are taking the stage contains a single scene only at a time, but the scenes can be dynamically swapped. Means from one scene to another scene, the data can be swapped here. The scene holds the entire visual content, including the UI controls, shapes, images, and the other graphic elements here. It is responsible for the managing the scene graphs. All the UI control components, the shapes, images, and each and everything, they are available in the scene only. Next, the third important one is the node. The node is the scene graph here. Individual UI elements and the graphical objects within the scene are called nodes here. Means each and every UI element and each and every graphical object here. The UI element may be a button or a text field or a label. It may be anything here. Here each and everything is called as a node. The nodes are organized in hierarchical manner in a tree-like structure known as the scene graph here. There are two main types of nodes out there. The first one is the branch nodes, second one is the leaf nodes here. The nodes are two types, branch nodes and the leaf nodes here. The branch node is nothing but it contains other nodes here. Means it is just like a parent node. Layout container like the V box, H box, anchor pane, all these are called as the branch nodes here. Branch node is nothing but it contains other nodes like the virtual box, H box, and the anchor pane. Leaf nodes don't contain other nodes here. Means they are not having any children out there. Example button, they are not having any child nodes. Label, text field, image view, and the rectangle. These are called as leaf nodes here. The root node is the topmost node in the scene graph here and serves as the entry point for all the nodes in the scene here. Means among all the nodes, the first node or the beginning node is called root node. Why? Because this is called as entry point. From this entry point only, the remaining nodes can be available here. This is about the nodes here. If you are having the JavaFX application window, it contains mainly three components only. The first one is the stage, the second one is the scene, and the third one is the nodes here.